Hello dear friends. Hi, how have you been up to? After a long, again I'm here. Hope all of you are doing great. Wish for safe and sound health. Yes, dear friends. Yeah, last approx 3 months actually I didn't do any video. I didn't post any video. Really, I'm sorry for that. But yes, today actually I last week I had been working with a very important topic, and later I thought yes, it's so important in Bangladesh RMG industry, by Bangladesh RMG sector, that I thought yes, my audience also should be updated, should be acknowledged about this topic. That's why actually I'm doing this video. Today actually I will discuss with 2 points. One is, what is RSC? RSC means what is RMG Sustainability Council. The one topic is RSC, and second is the RSC or the Accord. Which one is the more appropriate these days? Actually, like a lot certification, I mean, for different sorts of customer, to connect different bar, different customer, they have different sorts of requirement, I mean certification requirements. Like you may have heard the name of Accord, then Alliance. Then if you really would like to do organic product, you have to have certificate of GOTS or OCS. And if you really would like to do a recycle product, of course you have to have some certification, that is RCS or GRS. Like a lots of certification also required, like OekoTex, RAP, then SADX, then BSCI for licensed product, Disney. Then nowadays another important thing is better work. Yes, then Hig index, then SMETA, fair trade. Lots of certification body are available, and depends on the customer. The factory owner used to do the audit, and I used to take the certificate. So now I'm going to discuss about the RSC. RSC is very very important. It's without this RSC, it's really tough to connect any sorts of big buyer or renowned buyer. Pixel with me, just I'm going to show you a PowerPoint, and through that PowerPoint I'm going to share my thoughts with you. Yes, hello dear friends. Let's start with the main topic. Yes, let me share my screen. Yeah, I think you can share my. Sorry, I think you can see my screen. See what I'm going to discuss today. First of all, I want to discuss what is RSC in Bangladesh RMG sector. And secondly, I want to discuss the RSC or the Accord. Which one is the more appropriate these days in this contemporary time? What we are about to say, RSC or Accord? These two I'm going to discuss. Okay, so yes, RSC. See, RSC means RMG Sustainability Council. And what is RSC? RSC is actually a safety monitoring body in Bangladesh's ready-made garments or apparel sector. It's through a collaboration among industry representatives, I mean Bangladeshi factory owner or industry owner, then global brands. The global brands means what? See, we have a lot of buyer who are working, we are collecting the order from the buyer, from the, I mean, famous brand, like there is H&M one brand. Just I'm giving the example. Then you can say Walmart, then you can say Tesco or Carter's, Oshkosh, then yeah, Next. So a lots of big brand. I mean, Max Spencer, Hugo Boss, yeah, all are brand. So these global brands also is the was the part of this to make the RSC. Then another thing is that, and another part of what, both global and local Bangladesh trade union. This trade union also here. So these three groups collectively set up the RSC to ensure a comprehensive and inclusive approach to workplace safety in the industry. So just think, what is the important, so important in RSC? It means RSCI, I mean RMG Sustainability this council. This if you see here, where is here our factory owner, I mean BGME, BGME equals factory owner, all the factory owner here, and then both the global and local Bangladesh trade union also here. So these three groups collectively set up this RSC. And how the RSC work? See, RSC, yeah, the RSC mainly focuses on four area. And how they work? Actually, this RSC, they have a body. They send the body to for the I mean to the factory for the auditing. And at the time of audit, they used to see the four key safety areas. First one is fire safety. Then second one is structural safety, third one is electrical safety, and then boiler safety. But yes, initially actually RSC started with they wanted to cover more area like medical, then others also some area. But later actually now they are working with this 4 point. This all 4 point are very important. See, fire, structural, electrical, and boiler safety, all safety area. And if you see here, see fire safety, then structural logo there, electrical safety, boiler safety. How they work? Whenever they, go for audit, at the time of audit, they also see, at the time of audit, when they audit, and while they audit, they also check the worker level, how many workers there, on different area. And their scoring system is like, percentage. I mean, uh, what's the level of this RSC? Is it 100% or 95% or 92% or 90% like this? And they work say after doing audit on every 4 5 area, they check whether it is okay, whether it is satisfactory level. They used to give the marks accordingly, the score accordingly. And the work process is like remediation basis. After one audit, the second audit, third audit, these are they used to what they improve the area, one area, and remediation do the remediation. I mean, the more improvement will go, the remediation will also come there. So here, see, first auditing, if they got some point, they used to give a CAP, corrective action plan, CAP, CFE, corrective action plan. On corrective CAP, they used to give some points, and then on those points, factory people works, and say after 1 month, then second audit, then after another 1 month, third audit. This way, actually, the RSC works and used to try to improve the factory level and used to give the level, marks score. 95 score means it's fine almost. 90 plus percentage is okay. And if it's progressed at 100%, that's awesome. And nowadays actually the buyer also, if you like connect, the famous or big brand, they ask what is your RSC score. So it's very important for every factory to make more score in RSC. And by addressing this critical 4 point, the RSC aims to ensure safer working condition within the Bangladesh RMG industry. Now I'm going to discuss what is, should I say RSC or ACOT? ACOT. Actually, we all know what is ACOT and alliance. Alliance. But 2012, when the Rana Plaza collapsed in Shavar, that time actually immediate after that, we in all Bangladesh, garments, this garments industry actually uh, was shocked, and we got some message from the buyer. And suddenly lots of buyer got back from Bangladesh. Later actually they created Accord and Alliance, and for years, for some years actually Bangladesh garments on BGMEA worked with this Accord and Alliance, and every factory, in the meantime, improved a lot according to their instruction. Later, what's happened? Later, Accord, see, if you see Accord actually started work on fire and building safety in Bangladesh RMG industry. And later, later actually Accord was now if I say Accord is not existence, instead of Accord now RSC has taken their place. On 14 January 2020, an agreement was signed by the BGMEA representatives and the steering committee of the Accord to transition from the Accord to RSC. It means Accord later. transformed as RSC. Therefore, since 1st June 2020, the RSC took over the operations, staffs, policies, and infrastructure from the local Bangladesh Accord. So, actually, it means now Accord doesn't have any existence. Instead of Accord, we are supposed to say RSC. Now we can ask why I am discussing about this RSC or Accord, because still, we used to get some messages, some mail from different area. That's what's your Accord point? What's your Accord score? That's what I'm saying. We're not supposed to say Accord. Rather, we are supposed to say RSC instead of RSC Institute of Accords. So that's all for today's message, dear friends. Later I will come with another important topic. So please be with me.